Good morning guys. Ngayong araw guys, magluluto kami ng aming almusal. Then ngayong araw guys, ngayon ang flight namin. Kasama namin si John Mark. Then ito guys yung lulutuin namin. Yan. Mickey sabay magpipirita ako guys ng patatas. Then ito guys yung gulay. Sayote, carrots at saka cabbage. Then chicken. Then yan guys, si John Mark nagpapaapoy na dito. Ihip-ihipan niya guys kasi nga medyo mabagal pa yung apoy. Doon niya na guys. Lagyan na ng mantika. Piprito muna tayo guys ng patatas. Then lulutuan natin ng Mickey mamaya. Ganyan guys. Piprito muna tayo ng patatas. Lucky! Yan guys, yung bago kong alaga, si Lucky. Yan. Then yan guys, si John Mark. First time niya makasakay ng plane mamaya. Excited ka na bakla? Tawag namin sa dyan guys, bakla. Guys, yan na, luto na yung patatas. Harangan na natin.
Yan guys, nagaprito siya ng sibuyas tapos bawang. Yan ginigisa guys, piniprito.
Then, chicken guys. Uy!
Sarap.
Yan, ada natin ng magic sarap para may lasa yung chicken guys. Then, paminta. Guys, yun na yung chicken. Nilagyan na namin ng tauyo. Then, ngayon, lalagyan na natin ng gulay. Then, ilas na natin yung Mickey guys kasi madali lang rin naman yung maluto.
Ha?
Yan na guys. Then guys, ilalagay na natin yung Mickey. Oh, may sabaw pa.
Lagyan mo lang, sabaw yan. Sabaw yan ng...
Yan, sabaw daw ng Mickey guys. I-mix mo muna ba? Yun, mix na guys. Then mag-add tayo ulit ng paminta guys.
Add ka rin ng apoy guys.
Yan, mag-add ka rin dyan Mark ng apoy. Then maglagay tayo ng oyster sauce guys.
Kung kagatin, baka mapanis.
Wala kasing gunting guys, kaya kinagat ko na lang. Ang hirap kasi. Yan na guys. Then hintayin na lang natin yan guys na maluto. Malapit na yun siya maluto guys. Yan guys, magkakain na kami ng aming almusal. Chicken with Mickey and vegetable. Yan, si Mary Joy ang magbabanta dito ng aming bahay. And si Papa at saka si John Mark. Then ngayon guys, maganda tayo ng kanin yan. More rice?
No.
Not so much. Kasang patatas doon?
In just a few hours. So actually Anne and John Mark have already been up and have been very busy cooking all of this stuff over here. I believe it is Mickey with chicken and rice and all these different vegetables inside it too. Are you both looking forward to going to the airport then?
Yeah!
John Mark says yes, he's chewing food, and Anne said yes. What are you looking forward to it mostly?
I want to travel again.
Yeah. Are you scared of going on the plane, John Mark? You're not scared at all? You're
I'm scared. I'm...
Nervous. Kinakabahan.
Ano?
Ano?
Yung ano na to? Yung
Ewan sa'yo ah.
exciting. I'm so excited to sit plane.
yeah, it'll be like being on a ride. Like, whoa. Now you're flying all of a sudden as well. It's really fun, like actually. So yeah, we're gonna eat our food and then we're all gonna go to the market. I think I'm taking Anne, then I'm driving back. No, what way are we doing it on?
If they're my older brother, he drive back.
Okay,
If
so we're just
nothing,
going once,
bring
and
back,
then your
yeah.
dad's taking John Mark and Tom Tom, and then Tom Tom drives the scooter back.
Yeah.
Cool.
Let's see.
Right, that's what we're doing.
Kain na tayo guys. Yan guys, nasa plane na kami ngayon. And si John Mark na lang at saka si Jalon. Then maglalagay siya guys ng headset si John Mark. Sabi ko kasi baka maano yung magdini yung tainga niya, hindi sanay. Yes, John Mark guys.
Alright, Baron.
Yeah.
I'm still on it too. I think we are 5 meters, 7 meters.
Yan guys, nakarating na kami sa hotel. Then ngayon, yan si Delo nagko-coffee. Then si John Mark guys, doon sa loob ng CR din kanina. Sabi niya, ayoko na mag-ulit mag-travel kasi nga para na akong mamamatay. Where's John Mark? John Mark! Where are you? Ayan guys, si John Mark. Mag-ano ka pa? Mag-travel ka pa sa sunod. Pagkataya mo.
Wala ako sa probinsya.
Yan guys, parang ngayon na ni John Mark mag-travel sa probinsya na lang daw siya manirahan. Then yan guys, yung kwarto namin guys, so yan. Dito yung kama namin ni Delon. Then doon yung kay John Mark at saka sa mama ni Delon sa darating bukas.
Aww.
Careful, where's my coffee?
Fair.
Sa'yo, akin ka sa.
Sige.
Where? This one? This one?
Yeah.
Oh, yan sir. Then yan guys ang mirror. Then maglalabas kami guys sa labas. Magkakain kami ng pagkain doon.
Sa labas?
Oo. Then, yan guys. Yung pintuan with mirror. Yan yung CR. Then shower. Yan. Then magkakape muna kami guys. Sa taas guys. Tingnan to.
There's a portal button for us.
Walang tubig?
Hindi yan guys oh.
Nothing water?
Oh.
Walang guys.
Where's that on?
Hmm?
Where's that?
This one?
Yeah, that turns the light on down here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh? Hindi yan guys, oh, ang taas. Dan, dyan, ng isang kama. Trying.
One of these ones, man. I've never tried this.
Sige.
Actually, let's try this. We do have cups. That's good.
True.
Okay. Ooh,
Oh.
look at it. It's really shiny.
Yeah. Taste what?
Exactly like a Malteser.
Oh.
There's good.
Can I try?
It's just as good in my opinion. It's more sugar on the
Yeah.
chocolate outside.
Rister?
Let's all have some
Later.
later.
No, John Mark.
Bro, try one of it.
Then yan guys yung binili namin mga snacks. Yan, potato fries. Then yan,
Oh, look. Is it
Multitos.
yummy?
Yeah, it's really yummy.
Yan guys yung aming pang snack.
John Marcus
Then
delirious
Papples, yan, sobrang
That was
laki
me
guys.
earlier before
At
I
saka
ate my food.
Coke.
So
Yan, si
long
John
as-
Mark.
Yeah, and we can watch a movie and everything now.
Yeah,
some
sige.
TV, drink some food. Drink some food.
Drink some Coke
Drink
and
some
Papples.
food and eat some liquid.
Oh my goodness. Wala.
That's funny.
Yan.
My life.
Si John Mark. I said, have a sponge here? I said, nothing. No sponge here pa ba?
Actually,
Hotel.
well, I need to fill up our water. I'm gonna go and do that.
Sige, you together, John Mark.
I can go do it. It's so in the out there.
Oh, okay.
Just answer the door if I knock it.
No.
Yes, you need to listen for me.
Where's
I'm
the
going to get
key?
water.
You bring a key na lang.
I'm gonna show you
Saan na
guys.
isang baso?
Yun sa kabila.
So to get us this one,
Yan guys, mag-aqua si Dilo ng
can't
tubig.
take the key because it's got all the powder in it.
Ah, okay. Bakla buksan mo mamaya siya pag pag nag-ano siya, nagbalik. Din yan guys, oh, ng mga aming mga pang-snack mamaya. Kasi nga manonood kami guys. Medyo okay na yung namin guys kasi nanggaling kami kumain kayo na sa labas. Yan, si John Mark naghugas doon guys ng baso kasi nga mag-inom kami ng Coke.